students, today I am going to start question number 2 of exercise 6.4. Now question number 2 says, take any point O in the interior of a triangle PQR. So this is a triangle PQR and O is the interior of a triangle PQR. We have three cases, OP plus OQ greater than PQ. We will have to check whether this is true or not. Okay, so here OP plus OQ. Where is OP? We'll join the points to get the side. It's OP and OQ. So sum of this and this is greater than this. Yes. Why yes? Because we know that it's a property of a triangle. Here we are getting the triangle OPQ. So we know that triangle is possible when the sum of two sides is greater than the third side. So in triangle OPQ, we have OP plus OQ is greater than PQ. Why? Because sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Now in the second part we have OQ plus OR. Sum of these two sides OQ is already joined OR. That means these two sides OQ and OR, the sum of these two sides is greater than QR. Yes, this is also possible because ORQ. This is triangle ORQ. This is also a triangle and triangle is possible when the sum of any two sides is greater than the third side. So we'll write yes, in triangle ORQ we have OQ plus OR is greater than QR. And what's the reason behind this? It's sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Now in the third part we have OR plus OP is greater than RP. OR, where is OR? Here OR and OP, that means is greater than RP, means this line, right? So here we can see that we have got a triangle ORP or OPR, right? So we have got a triangle. So triangle is possible when the sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. So we'll write yes, in triangle ORP or OPR we have OR plus OP is greater than RP, as the sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Okay, so what we have observed that triangle is possible when the sum of any two sides is greater than the third side. So this was all about question number 2. Now moving on to the question number 3. Now question number 3 says AM is the median of a triangle ABC. So this is a triangle ABC and AM is the median. If AM is the median, that means AM point is the midpoint of BC. So the length of BM is equals to the length of MC. Okay. Now the question is AB plus BC plus CA, the sum of these three sides is greater than twice AM. That means AB means this side, BC means this, and CA, the three side of a triangle. Okay, the sum of these three side of a triangle is, the sum of these three side will be double of the median. Median is AM. Okay, so the sum of these three side will be greater than twice the median, which is 2AM. So to prove this, we will use the properties of a triangle here. We will take these two triangles separately. Like from triangle ABM, this is triangle ABM. So in triangle ABM, what are the properties of triangle? Sum of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. Okay, so here we will take the sum of any two sides. Now see here, AM is on the right, so we will take AB and BM as the sum of two side. Okay, and sum of two side is greater than the third side. We'll consider third side as AM. As if you see here, AM is right side, so we have put on the right side. Suppose this is equation 1. Similarly, we will write from triangle ACM, means this triangle. Okay, ACM. So in triangle ACM, we'll take AC and CM, the two side. Okay, and we'll put greater than sign. Sum of two side is greater than the third side. Again we'll take AM as the third side, as AM is right side. Okay, so this is equation 2. Now we will add these two equation. We will add these two equation. Why? Because here we have to make 2AM, means twice AM. So if you add the right hand side, you will get twice AM, because AM plus AM is 2AM. So adding 1 and 2. So left hand side, on the left hand side what we have? AB plus BM from equation 1, AB plus BM, plus on the left hand side from equation 2 we have AC plus CM. Okay, now in both the equation we have greater than sign, so we'll put greater than sign, and on the right side we have AM from equation 1 and 2, right? So it's AM plus AM. Now here we'll put greater than sign. Now AM plus AM is 2AM. Okay, now this side AB, this is AB from the triangle, this is AB, so we'll write AB. Now BM is this part, okay, out this part of BC. So and AC is again this side. So what I am going to do here, BM and CM, these two parts, when you join together, you will get BC. Okay, so we'll put BM and CM, and AC we will put at the end. Okay, so BM and CM, from BM and CM when we'll put together you will get BC. So we will have AB, in this place we'll write BC, and AC is greater than 2AM. And here the question was, is AB, BC, CA is greater than 2AM? Is yes, AB plus BC plus CA or AC, it's same, is greater than 2AM. So hence proved. Okay. So this was all about number 3. Thank you, students.